Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating Canon error code 1430 on your printer, don't panic. We've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down exactly what this error means, why it's happening, and the straightforward steps to get your printer back up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, what is error code 1430? This code typically pops up on Canon printers like the Pixma series and indicates an issue with the waste ink absorber or counter. Essentially, your printer has a system that collects excess ink during cleaning cycles, and when that gets full, it triggers this error to prevent potential leaks or damage. It's a safety feature, but it can sure halt your printing workflow. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The main culprit is usually the waste ink tank overflowing from regular use, especially if you've been printing a lot without maintenance. Other factors include a clogged print head, outdated firmware, or even hardware wear and tear over time. If you've recently changed ink cartridges or experienced a paper jam, that could also be a trigger. The good news is, most of these are fixable at home. Moving on to the solutions. Let's get practical. Step 1. Turn off your printer and unplug it for a few minutes to perform a hard reset. This can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check the printer's maintenance menu. On most Canon models, you can access this by pressing and holding the Stop or Resume button while powering on. Look for an option to reset the waste ink counter, but be cautious, as this might void your warranty. Next, if you're comfortable, open up the printer and inspect the waste ink absorber. You might need to clean or replace it, but always refer to your user manual first. Updating your printer's firmware via Canon's official website can also resolve software-related issues. And remember, if none of these work, it's time to contact Canon support or visit a service center. There you have it, error code 1430 demystified and defeated. By following these steps, you should be printing smoothly again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.